What's going on, YouTube family? Hope you guys have been good and are having a great week as usual. As the year is kind of closing out, this is my obligatory top 5 sneaker pickup list of 2021. We're going to be talking through my favorite sneaker pickups throughout the year. These are only going to be the sneakers that I own, obviously. We'll be looking at some on-foot looks and some styling shots too. So yeah, let's get right into it. At number 5, we're gonna start things off strong with a dunk. We've got the Nike Dunk Low Medium Curries. Originally, I was gonna put the Jordan 1 Mochas on this list, but apparently they came out in late 2020, so I switched it up to the Medium Curries instead. Literally nothing bad to say about these. The suede texture on them automatically gives them a more elevated look and quality as compared to other GR Dunks. As for most Dunk Lows, these are super versatile as well, really easy to slip on with whatever you're wearing. With the craftsmanship of GR Dunks being so poor by Nike lately, this is one pair that you're definitely going to get your money's worth picking up. Next up at number 4, we're bringing out a Jordan 1. The ones are my favorite silhouette, and these neutral grey ones rank very highly on my own personal collection overall. It's just such a simple and clean colorway. These are also the 85 high silhouette, so they're slightly higher than your average Jordan 1. Grey suede swoosh on the side, enameled texture to the Jordan 1 Wings logo, as compared to the usual black embossing. I've also swapped out the laces with some sail white ones, and I really like the slightly aged vintage inspired look they have now. Also, quick honorable mention to the neutral grey 1 lows too, both super clean and classic colorways. At number 3, these are actually a really surprising pickup for me. I didn't expect to add Vans into my rotation this year, but this Jown collab with the skate mids was an absolute must-have for me. I love Jown's clean and minimal aesthetic. They're very well known for their green and brown when it comes to sneaker collabs. This is that signature Jown green with a little logo tab on the heel area. I love the silhouette on the skate mids too. They kind of feel similar to Dunk Lows for me in terms of shape and versatility. Really easy pair to just slip on and head out every day. Slapping on some sail white laces for a slightly aged aesthetic. Again, I did not expect to pick up Vans this year, but this pair definitely surprised me, and for that, I think it deserves the number 3 spot on my list. At number 2, quite possibly my favorite pickup this year. These were supposed to be number 1 on my list, but they narrowly got beat by another pair that I literally just got in a couple days ago. Anyways, it's the Amelia Door New Balance 550s in green. I was already a fan of the 550s, but this collab stepped up the quality like crazy. With the cracked N logo on the side, cream midsole, Amelia Door logo details on the back and tongue area. This year was a big year for green in general, and I would actually say that these are the green sneaker of the year. If you were to only pick up one green pair this year, these Amelia Door 550s would without a doubt be my pick. I actually wear these so much too, and big shout out to Amelia Door for letting me win the restock raffle on these and picking them up for retail. And finally guys, number 1 on my list, the sneaker that narrowly beat the Amelia Door 550s. This is my personal pick for sneaker of the year too. The only sneaker that could beat out the Amelia 3s in my opinion. And it's gonna be the Amelia 1s. I literally just got these in. Haven't had the time to shoot up a proper video for you guys yet, but it will be coming soon. These are so class, man. The elevated details on the Amelia 1s are insane. Starting with the cracked leather base all around in this whitish grey, snakeskin swoosh and ankle area in burgundy. You've got quilted padded inners, cream midsole area, detachable wings logo area to reveal quotes by Jordan. If we're talking quality and craftsmanship, I've got to say that these are the best all 2021, at least in my opinion. I love the Amelia 3s too aesthetically. The only thing is that I don't find myself wearing Jordan 3s that much. I'm much more of a Jordan 1 guy, so that's pretty much the only reason why I picked these over the Amelia 3s, even though both of them deserve the spot for sneaker of the year in my opinion. But yeah, if you're thinking of picking up the Amelia 1s, I cannot recommend them enough. They are so much crazier in person, I promise you. I'll have a video for these coming soon too. 3 ways to style and the full unboxing, so watch out for that. But with that being said guys, that's gonna be it for me today. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video. Let me know if you agree with this list or if you have any additions of your own. As always, if you enjoyed the video, please drop a like, share or comment. It does help me out with the YouTube algorithm. If you enjoyed my content and would like to support me, please hit that subscribe button. Also, if you want more content from me throughout the week, don't forget to check out my Instagram. I'm also on TikTok now, so don't forget to check that out too. And yeah, much love guys. And depending on the time of this video, Merry Christmas to you and yours. Happy holidays. Peace guys. See you again soon.